C'est la vie. C'est la vie. Masters in business on the wall for display. 3 languages fluent to talk to myself all day. They said I am too smart to start, to train, to learn, to polish, to blend, too skilled to play. Vous êtes overqualified.
Now we are going to do our makeup. Please mind that I already put some sunscreen because it's something really important that I have to do. So my makeup routine is really simple because I don't like too much product on my face, and also it's very hot and it's very humid, so there is no point for me to put some products that going to make my face during the day nasty. Okay, what I'm gonna do is first use some blush, which is a blush that the color is closer to my skin tone. If it makes any sense, maybe you are going to say it should be a foundation that matches to your skin tone. No, it's not true. It should be also, in my humble opinion, your blush. Otherwise, it makes a little bit strange on the face. So I should use for this one brush, but I prefer use my hands. So I'm going to put a little bit this part. I don't see anything. Oh my god, I put a lot. I put too much. And there's no mirror. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm going to use a brush also, because without any mirror it's pretty difficult. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my cheekbones. I have very high cheekbones, so I'm pretty lucky on that department that I don't need to use what's it like, what people do this is shading, you know, to give themselves a little bit like high cheekbones. I don't know. Anyway, I do that. I will apply whatever remains on my forehead, on my nose, and also, okay, it's I'm running short here, and also I'm gonna put a little bit. Juno is here, you don't see, but Juno, please do not break anything. Anyway, what I was saying is that I'm going to put also a little bit on my eyelids. Juju! Okay, for the blush, this is all I do. And then I'm gonna use a little bit concealer. I'm gonna use tiny bit of this. Okay, that's it. I'm not going to use any setting powder. By the way, this makeup is pretty unisex, so whether woman or man, you can do it, in my personal opinion, because there is nothing too much. Also, I don't believe that there is something wrong if a man wear makeup. There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, they can do whatever they want. Just let people be, okay? Okay, anyways, under my eyes, already done. It's setting by itself. My mascara. It is a transparent mascara because it's pretty hot here, and also I have pretty dark and long eyelashes naturally, so I don't need really colored mascara. Having said that, I of course use occasionally some colored mascara. Even recently, one of my friends, she gave me a Korean brand mascara, which is absolutely divine. So I'm going to use this one. Even for the transparent mascara, I use little bit, not too much. Now I'm going to use a little lip ink. This color is, let me show you the color, is like the shade of my lips color, but more visible, if it makes any sense. I'm going to use this again, not too much. I don't like too much makeup. You see, it's not even visible, but it's there. Okay, and that's it. This is my makeup. I have to do my hair a little bit later, maybe. So anyway, this is all I use for a humid and hot summer makeup, I guess. Or we can say, now that I'm living in a tropical country, you can say tropical makeup. By the way, I would like to show you this little cup, teacup. It is given me by my father-in-law. This is not a Chinese fine porcelain cup. This is actually Japanese porcelain, and I'm gonna show you something really cool. It's not expensive or something, but it's pretty cool. I don't know if you can see. Ah, no, I need a light. Can you spot a Japanese lady in the middle of the cup? You see? I think you see. It's pretty cool. So I have two of this, but unfortunately one of them is broken. I need to repair that. I would love to have a cup of tea in it, but I can't because I am a little bit scared of the lead. If you don't know what is the lead, please make your research, because it's pretty dangerous. If you buy anything, if you thrift anything, if you buy anything from an antique store, you have to test them before using them. So it's pretty important. Anyway, now I'm going to do my hair. We are lucky because when I open the windows on the back of the apartment, and I'm at the balcony right now, we can get like really good breeze. Otherwise it's too hot and humid, because now we are in the hottest and humidest season in Martinique. Anyways, friend, let's continue our day. Okay, friends, I'm gonna show you a few items that have been bringing the joy to my daily life. What I'm going to do, I think every week I am going to show you things that bring me joy. It's not necessarily something materialistic. It might be also an experience, it might be a hobby, it might be a moment that I share with my little family. I have been wanting to show you very long time. This is a perfume that I created. For my birthday, Minoj gave me a few gifts. One of them was a atelier de parfum. And because he knows that I love very clean and very light scents, and I have been having trouble to find my signature perfume, and he thought that maybe if I created it by myself, finally I could have my own scent, which is the case actually. Even I ordered this bottle and I put the name on it. I don't know if you can see. In French, it's a French name, of course, and it calls épure, which means something pure and clean. And believe me, the scent is exactly calls the name. As you see, I have used a lot. When I created this, I described the scent, and what happened actually, the final product was smelling like a laundry detergent. Actually, it's not that simple. I'm gonna put in the description box name of the all scents, and you will find out, because there is no like 1, 2 or 3 or 5 scents. There is a lot. Base scent, middle scent, and then top scent. I don't know, it's kind of mixology, you know. Finally, I have my épure and I love it. If I finish this, I will go back and then fill up my bottle, and I will come back home as a happy human being who smells clean. And the other one I actually showed you earlier, it is this little Japanese porcelain cup. I really like it. I love to put in my little makeup on it, or some jewelry if I want to. And the other one is this 3-fold journal. It's a 100% leather journal. I put here a little charm. This is a ballerina. Actually, this was a necklace that one of my friends gave me before I came here, because she wanted me to, you know, eventually start dancing, which I did thanks to her encouragement. So, but I want this around me at all times, because some days I don't wear the necklace. Actually, I wear only this beads. So I put this here, and I will add some more charms. So when I open this, you see the inserts that I bought actually, and look at this. This is a vintage cat. I love this so much. Okay, you will say, what is this? Those are the journal, but they are not written journal I draw. It was like 20th of February, and since then I draw. I thought, why not to buy something nice and cover them. I'm gonna show you, but maybe in another video I can show you in details. This is a little journal that I try to journal the moments of my babies, Juno, Corsan, and Grisette. This is pretty recent. This one is going to be, oh, not this one, sorry. I don't know what I'm going to put in this. And I have this insert that came with the journal itself. So I draw again my baby Juno, and I draw some small cats here, some paws, some hearts, and this is something that I really love. And also I draw this symbol here. There's another cat playing with an apple, and here it's written Juno love, because he's my love. Oh, hi Corsan. Hi baby. Corsan is here. What baby? You know, Corsan and Grisette, they are now pretty old. They are 15 years old. They cannot, they are in a really good shape, but they cannot jump, they cannot, you know, and when she's just here in front of me on that other chair. Okay, I don't know, for some reason I'm pretty excited, because it has been such a long time that I haven't been vlogging. Anyways, so, and we have this little envelope in it. Actually, this envelope has a little note from my husband in it for my birthday. Croissant. Croissant, please. Okay, let me show you some others, maybe one that I have finished. Again, from French Polynesia, I write some stuff that I feel or I observed or anything. This is again me, some flowers and the view of the mountain from the hotel that we stayed. And this is again me reading. This is the balcony of the hotel room. This is the swimming pool, and this is the you know, the facade that you can see inside. And we did some jet skiing, and again this is me. If you go on my Instagram, you will see. I will try to insert the pictures so that you can refer. And what we have here, I have a lot, but not all our travels. Let me show you something. Yeah, you might have seen my Lanzarote road trip. It was a Canary Island with my Minosh. Again, this is me. This is our camper van, and this is the cactus garden. I had cactus burger, and then we continued, Minosh and me, map of the Lanzarote Island. And then this is the view, you know, our little kitchen. And this is this Italian coffee maker. Go and check this vlog. I think it should be like 2 to 3 episodes. And it was really, really nice. I mean, I did, I think, one of my best job to film that vlog. And then their traditional dishes there. And this is the another view. I think this was called Mirador del Rio. And again, this is me looking at the sea, and this is the view. And let me show you a last one. As I said, I will make a vlog or video to go through my travel journal, or if you want, even the daily one. Let me show you maybe this one. Yeah, this one. Recently, again, if you have been following me on Instagram, you may remember we traveled to Canada, the French side, and for Christmas. And this is the like Montreal, some part of Montreal here. This is me, and this is the place, the hotel. I mean, it's not the hotel, but it's the like complex that we stayed. This is the view from there, the little deer that we have seen, and again some notes on the way, you know, some places that we have seen. I will show you some more in my upcoming vlogs. This is one of the pages that I found from Italy. Again, this I made a vlog on this one. It was Cinque Terre, and this is me, you see. It was my it was a trip for my birthday. So I will try to put the link of this vlog in the description box. You can take a pic. Okay, now friends, I have to cook for dinner. I have to plant some greenery that I bought. I'm gonna show you. Those are. This is coriander. This is some lettuce. I have also thyme, because I really love, you know, having easy access to fresh herbs. This is the reason why today maybe we are going to balcony gardening a little bit. And after that, I said I have to cook for dinner. I hate cooking. I know you have been seeing me, if you are not new here, cooking, but I hate cooking. However, recently I thought to myself, you have to feed yourself, you have to feed Minoj. So let's make it a little bit fun. So I have been trying to learn how to cook real food, like restaurant level. So this is something that I am trying to do nowadays. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's okay, sometimes I pretend like I have never even tried to cook that particular dish. And by the way, you don't see, but Juno is here. He's very curious, and I don't know, he is too cute to be true. I don't know, maybe I'm not objective at all, but I love him so much.
C'est la vie. C'est la vie. Masters in business on the wall for display. 3 languages fluent to talk to myself all day. They said I am too smart to start, to train, to learn, to polish, to blend, too skilled to play. Vous êtes over quality.
Our dinner is ready. I'm not going to cook a side dish because we have some leftover. I have a little bit headache. I think I'm gonna get some rest, and after that I'm going to plant my little herbs. Okay, I have changed the plan because I couldn't have a rest. I have still that headache. Anyway, now I'm going to work on my balcony. It's pretty sunny, so I put this shade by hoping that it's going to protect me from the direct sunlight. What I'm going to do is now I'm going to show you a little bit our new balcony. By the way, as you may know from my previous vlog, that actually we moved, but we are still on the same complex, but we got a flat that is cheaper and it has like better view. Let me show you the view. We already had this view. Since now we are higher and we see even better the sea and everything. Even on the camera you see a little bit like far away, but in person it's not that far away. Actually you can go to beach by walk, 10 minutes or so, and that's it.
Close and didn't sleep a wink last night. Grisetta's hungry, nothing feels right. I should start a diet too, but what to eat? What should I do? Little Juno runs and plays with glee. 3 months old, so wild and free. Tiny paws and sparkling eyes, my heart just melts. We oh la la la. Minnow, she smiles and takes my hand, says don't worry, life is grand. Coffee warms.
Okay, here's the progress so far. I couldn't go further because I ran out of the soil. We need to buy some, and also it's unbearably hot, so I would better to go inside and do something else. I'm not sure if I should prepare the bread or not. What is this? My hair! Okay, I think I'm going to prepare the bread. Juju, we are going to make the bread. Juju, Juju, let's start it. Oh.
Sanatçı ruhluyum. Oh la 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 la. Beyaz yaka olmaya mahkumum. Yazık ama boş ver ya. Hayat böyle tatlı uyuyor la la la. Ufak tefek işlerle gün koşuşturmacalı. Zaman geçiyor ama hiçbir iş tamamlanmadı. Olsun, hallederiz yarın. Aceleye getirip şeytanı işe karıştırmamalı. Videolarım bir türlü viral olmadı. Belki haftaya olur, umudu saklamalı. Algoritma bırak yakamı, daha ne yapmalı? Oui, oui, oui. Aman on on on, la 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 la. Aman on on on, la 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 la. Yine gülüp geçiyorum hayata. Oui, la 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 la.
Let's set the alarm for 2 hours. Minosh just came home. We are going to have ice cream. Say hi.
Let's bounce.
Juno has a lot of fans. Best place to have some ice cream in the entire island. Are you ready, Juju? Let's go. Hi, say hi. Kiss me to the Merci. Voilà. Juno.
thing I've ever known. Jumping, running, out of sight. Then beside me, in the night, my little midnight kitty doll, my little shadow, my little soul.